Unit 6 is transformations. Transformations are going to be taking shapes or points that would be on a coordinate plane and moving them somehow. The first type of transformation we're going to learn is translations, and they're really the easiest one because a translation is just a move or shift of every point of a figure, shape, or space by the same distance in a given direction. So sliding that up, down, left, right. It's also interpreted as the addition of a constant to every point. So number one, we have a graph here. It says determine which translations would map figure H onto figure I. Always read which one onto which one. So we're starting with figure H and trying to figure out how it moved to figure I, because you see they're the same exact shape. It's just been slid. So pick one of the points, sets of points that you see that are in the same location on the shape. Those correspond. And since I'm going H to I, I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to go left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so my translation, my transformation went down 6 and left 7. Pretty simple. All right, number 2, you're actually doing the shifting. So we're going to translate this shape 7 units left and 1 unit down. So pick a point, go left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down 1. Left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down 1. And when you connect it, it should make the exact same triangle. All right, number 3 says what is the image point? So what is it after a translation of left 4 units and down? So without having a graph, we need to take a point and do something to it. So think about if it went left 4, that affects the x value, and going left would be a negative movement because we're going left. And then down 4 would affect the y, and that would be minus 4. So negative 4 minus 4 would put me at negative 8, and 7 minus 4 would put me at positive 3. So you can do the math on the coordinate point. 4 is similar to that, but be careful with the wording. It says the image point of A after a translation of right 4 and up 2 is the point B. Determine the coordinates of the pre-image point A. So A is some point. Something happened to it, right? It went right 4. So that would be your x value plus 4. And it went up 2. And it became point B, which is 1, negative 3. So you could do this in your head. Think what number plus 4 would give me 1? Or you can make an equation saying some number got added to 4 and made 1. And so subtracting 4 would give you that x was negative 3. Okay, do the same thing for y. So you can ask yourself, what number plus 2 made negative 3? Or set up an equation that says some number plus 2 equals negative 3, subtract 2 to solve, and y should get you negative 5. So you have the pre-image. It went to the right 4, which would put you at 1, and it went up 2, which would put you at negative 3. And then number 5, there's image point at 4, 4, so our original point under a translation became 6, 0. Find the coordinates of the image of a new point under the same translation. So basically all that's saying is here's the point, here's what it became, what happened to it. So 4 to get to 6, it added 2. You could write it like this. And y, so 4 to what got added to it to make 0? 4 minus 4. Or 4 plus negative 4 made 0, so it's your y minus 4. You're just trying to find the rule. Then we're going to take the same point, the 1, negative 4, and use this same rule where we're going to add 2 to the 1 and subtract 4 from the y. So that would put me at 3, negative 8. You show the work any way that you want. I find the work sometimes confusing. I can kind of do it in my head. You can write it out like this. You can show the work underneath. Whatever you need to do to keep it organized.